Now I want to turn now to something that the minister has been talking about called waiting time. The minister spoke of reduction of waiting time in hospitals. Any well-thinking Jamaican would advocate for a reduction in waiting time due to the negative impact that this will have on the population. But since that announcement, how much reduction has really taken place? As I have stated before, the initiative is not a new one, as it was embarked upon by the regional health authorities some time ago in 2012. While we know the benefits of longer opening hours for health centres, the benefits as presented by the ministry are yet to be documented. The unfortunate case of the student from GC Foster College who got ill on the Friday afternoon and was taken to Spanish Town Hospital and sat in a chair from Friday, treated in the chair until she died on Sunday. So you're in the chair. So you can't talk about waiting time when you're not fixing the space problem in the bed. You can't just talk about these things. This is just talk. We need action on these things. The case of the 18-year-old, Lemar Henry, whose funeral I attended on Saturday from Woodall, who went to Chapperton Hospital and was, while the doctor calling around to find another hospital to treat him, to take him, no hospital would take him because they said they didn't have any bed. So he died and was buried on Saturday. Let me say to you now, under our watch, my regional chairman, Tani Shirley, or Andre Cook would never allow that to have happened. They would have found a bed for these patients from somewhere. Or they would have bought a bed. You can't sit from Friday until Sunday until she died. The minister announced a reduction in waiting time for surgery. But while the minister was announcing reduction of waiting time for surgeries, the university hospital was announcing a cancellation of surgeries. Need for consultation. My friend, you're not there, but you need to consult your stakeholders more. You need to consult. One true way of reducing waiting time at hospital is to improve. One true way of reducing waiting time in hospital is to improve the infrastructure at the satellite health centers in order for them to be the first point of interest. That was what you started. That was what he continued. And that is what I did in my short time. And that is what they need to do now.